Welcome to Connect Toy Surprises!
Hello everyone, welcome to Connect Toy Surprises. What do you think is the surprise for today? Should we open it up and take a look? Okay, let's see what's inside. It's a Melissa and Doug barn. Look at it, has a lot of different latches that you can open, and it comes with some barn animals. Let's see if we can see what kind of animals are inside. We take a look. This has Let's open this one. Let's see what's inside. What do you think that is? That is a pig. Do you remember the Old MacDonald song? Old MacDonald had a pig on his farm, and what does a pig do? Oink, oink. And what else is there? Oh, it's a cow. The cow goes moo, moo. Let's see what other animal we can find. Maybe we can open a different latch. What is that? That is a goat. Let's try this one on the side. What is this? This is a horse. So it comes with 4 different animals. A horse, neigh, neigh. And a cow, moo, moo. And a pig, oink, 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 oink. And a goat. What does a goat do? You can open the barn. There's a lot of different doors with latches. Has a pig inside. There's 2 big ones on the side here. And a very proud looking horse. This one opens up as well, and there's a cow. Cow says moo, moo. Let's see, what do you think is behind this door? There you go, it's a rooster. The rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. This one has one as well. Should we put the animals back inside? There goes the goat. There goes the pig. And there goes the horse. And there goes the cow. They are resting nicely inside. You can make this. You can have a lot of fun with this one. You can sing the Old MacDonald song. Should we try it? Okay, ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a... Let's open and see. Horse. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he had a... Open this one now. Goat. E-I-E-I-O. With the bad here and a bad there. Here bad, there bad. Everywhere bad. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. So open the other side. And on his farm he had a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. The animals are outside the barn. And then they are going inside the barn. There went the cow. There goes the pig. The cow and the pig are inside the barn. The horse and the goat are outside the barn. And there goes the horse. The horse is inside the barn. And there goes the goat. The goat is inside the barn. All animals are now resting inside the barn.
If you like this video, please subscribe.